Have you ever wondered what men actually notice during moments of emotional closeness? Most people think attraction is all about appearance, but the truth is, many of the things that leave the strongest impression have nothing to do with looks. They're the small moments. The things you do without thinking. The way you smile. The way you react. The confidence you carry. And the energy you bring into the relationship. Today, we're counting down 12 things men quietly notice that many women don't even realize they're communicating. Some of these may surprise you. Others might completely change the way you think about attraction and connection. Be sure to stay until the end because the final point is one relationship experts say creates the deepest emotional bond. Let's begin. Number 12. Your natural confidence. One of the very first things men notice isn't expensive clothes, perfect makeup, or trying to impress everyone around you. It's whether you seem comfortable being yourself. Confidence isn't about acting like you're perfect. It's about being relaxed enough to laugh, speak honestly, and enjoy the moment without constantly worrying about being judged. People naturally feel more connected to someone who seems genuine. Ironically, trying too hard often creates distance, while authenticity creates attraction. Number 11. The way you say his name. Most people don't think much about this, but hearing your name spoken warmly has a surprisingly powerful emotional effect. Whether you're congratulating him, thanking him, or simply greeting him with genuine enthusiasm, it tells him he's being seen as an individual, not just another person in the room. Small moments like these often become memorable because they communicate appreciation without needing a grand gesture. Number 10. Whether you communicate your needs. Healthy relationships aren't built on mind reading, they're built on communication. Many people expect their partner to automatically know what they need. But confident communication actually creates stronger trust. Whether it's suggesting a restaurant, sharing your opinion, or expressing what makes you happy, being open allows both people to feel more connected. Most men appreciate honest guidance far more than silent expectations. Number 9. How comfortable you are being yourself. Body language speaks long before words do. Do you constantly appear tense, or do you seem relaxed and present? People naturally notice whether someone feels comfortable in their own skin. When you're relaxed, smiling, and fully engaged in the conversation, it becomes easier for the other person to relax too. Confidence is contagious. Number 8. Whether you enjoy the moment. One of the biggest differences between memorable conversations and forgettable ones is presence. Are you constantly checking your phone, thinking about tomorrow? Or are you fully engaged in what's happening right now? People can usually sense when someone genuinely enjoys spending time with them. That feeling creates emotional safety. And emotional safety is one of the strongest foundations of lasting attraction. These first 5 qualities aren't about trying to impress anyone. They're about becoming more comfortable with yourself. Because genuine confidence, clear communication, and emotional presence often leave a far stronger impression than any carefully planned image ever could. In the next part, we'll cover the next 4 qualities, including one simple habit that relationship counselors say can instantly make conversations feel warmer and more meaningful. Number 7. Your sense of humor. One of the biggest myths about attraction is that every interaction has to be serious or perfectly planned. In reality, shared laughter creates some of the strongest emotional memories. When you smile naturally, laugh together, or don't take every little awkward moment too seriously, it helps both people relax. Psychologists have found that couples who laugh together often report higher relationship satisfaction because humor reduces stress and strengthens emotional connection. Nobody expects perfection, but someone who can smile during life's imperfect moments is often unforgettable. Number 6. Whether you remember the small things. Everyone likes to feel important. It doesn't have to be remembering expensive gifts or major anniversaries. Sometimes it's remembering his favorite coffee, asking how an important meeting went, or bringing up something he mentioned weeks ago. These small details communicate something powerful. I was listening. Feeling heard is one of the deepest forms of appreciation in any relationship. Often, it's these thoughtful moments, not grand romantic gestures, that leave the strongest impression. Number 5. Genuine appreciation. Many people wait for special occasions to express appreciation, but healthy relationships are built through small acknowledgments every day. A simple thank you, I appreciate you. I'm proud of you. I noticed what you did. These words may seem small, but they can have a lasting impact. Everyone wants to know that their efforts matter. Feeling appreciated encourages kindness, trust, and emotional closeness over time. Number 4, curiosity about his life. One quality that consistently stands out is genuine curiosity. Not asking questions just to keep a conversation going, but actually wanting to understand who someone is, what motivates them, what goals are they working toward, what makes them excited, what challenges are they facing. When someone feels safe enough to share these parts of themselves, emotional intimacy naturally grows. People don't just remember those who talk well, they remember those who truly listen. These qualities may seem simple, but together they create something incredibly valuable: trust. And trust is what allows relationships to grow stronger over time. In the final part, we'll reveal the last 3 qualities, including the one that many relationship experts believe has the greatest impact on long-term emotional connection. Number 3, whether you support him during difficult times. It's easy to be present when everything is going well. The real test of a relationship comes during life's challenges. Men often notice who stays calm when things become difficult. Sometimes support isn't about having the perfect advice. It's simply being there, listening without immediately trying to solve every problem, offering encouragement instead of criticism. Everyone faces setbacks, whether at work, with family, or with personal goals. Knowing someone believes in you during those moments creates a level of trust that isn't easily forgotten. Relationships grow stronger when both people feel they're facing life as a team rather than alone. Number 2, whether you make him feel wanted and valued. One of the biggest misconceptions is that only women want to feel appreciated. The truth is that everyone wants to know they matter. Small gestures can communicate this better than expensive gifts ever could. Greeting him warmly after a long day, making eye contact during conversations, offering a sincere compliment, saying you're happy to spend time together. These moments may seem ordinary, but they build emotional security over time. People naturally feel closer to those who consistently make them feel accepted, respected, and appreciated. When someone feels valued, they become more willing to open up, communicate honestly, and invest in the relationship. Number 1, whether you're truly present. The final point is also the most important. Modern life is full of distractions: phones, notifications, work, stress. It's easy to be physically present while mentally somewhere else. But genuine connection happens when 2 people give each other their full attention, listening without interrupting, looking into each other's eyes, sharing genuine smiles, being interested rather than simply waiting for your turn to speak. These simple habits create emotional closeness that lasts far longer than appearances or first impressions. Relationship experts often say people may forget the exact words you used, but they'll always remember how you made them feel. Feeling understood, feeling respected, feeling emotionally safe. Those are the experiences that build lasting relationships. If there's one message to take away from today's video, it's this: healthy relationships aren't built on perfection. They're built on authenticity. The qualities that leave the biggest impression aren't expensive clothes, flawless appearances, or carefully planned conversations. They're kindness, confidence, curiosity, appreciation, support, and being fully present with the person in front of you. When you focus on these habits consistently, you create an environment where trust and emotional connection can naturally grow. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which point surprised you the most? And which one do you think has the biggest impact on a healthy relationship? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I read as many as I can, and your feedback often inspires future videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find it helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.